You live in your home?
I read a very interesting book today.
Are you alone?
I want to go to Goa this New Year.
Do you have boyfriend?
Yes, yes. Hi, Shahid. So good to see you
Hi, ma'am.
again. How are you?
Good to know that, ma'am. Okay, I'm fine, ma'am. Yeah,
Awesome. How was your day?
my day was also good. It went well. What about you, ma'am? How was your day?
Just one word, Shahid. Exhausting.
Okay, your day was exhausting.
Yeah, pretty exhausting. Did you have your dinner?
No, I haven't had my dinner, and
Mhm.
after this session, I will have my dinner, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, very
So,
well.
yeah,
Mhm.
and yeah, that's it, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, you were about to ask me something. I thought you were about to ask me some
Again,
question.
again, I am for. Sorry, I forgot. Yeah, it's okay.
That's okay, no problem. Yes. So, how have you been doing so far? Is there any interesting activity that you did today? Any interesting conversation you had?
Mhm. No, not really any interesting conversation. Yeah, but I talked some people yes today. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, it
Okay, you
just
spoke to some
casual
people.
conversation. Yes, I spoke some people. It just called casual conversation. Yeah, ma'am. So
Okay.
how have you been, ma'am? Tell me something about you. Means about
I
your
have
session.
been doing really well, Shahid. I've been in Bangalore only this entire month. So this weekend I'll be going to my hometown again. So I'm pretty excited for that.
Okay, so right now you are you are living in Bangalore.
Yeah, right now currently I'm in Bangalore. So this weekend I'll be going to Mysore again, and I'm counting days like when will I go.
Okay, so do you don't like Bangalore?
Yeah, I love Bangalore. It's my most favorite place on the planet. But right now I want to go to my hometown also. Just
But
take a
you
break,
are
just
missing.
chill.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah,
am
you are
missing.
missing.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
correct.
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, ma'am.
True. Yeah.
So, ma'am,
And
today
yeah,
I would like to play with you one game.
a
Okay, if
game.
you
Okay.
yeah, if you
Thanks,
like,
Shahid.
so okay.
Yeah,
So, would you like to play?
of course.
Okay. So let me tell you about that game rule. Okay.
Okay.
I'm I will ask you question
Uh-huh.
and you will give me answer. That answer should not match
Mm.
regarding according to my question.
Okay.
Neither you will give me uh, wrong answer.
Yeah.
Sorry, neither you will give me that answer nor a similar answer. Yeah.
Okay. I have to give a weird answer, something very
Weird.
random. Like
Yes,
if you ask me
absolutely.
what is 2 plus 2, I should say pineapple, like that.
Absolutely, ma'am. Wow.
Okay.
You
Like that.
got it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome.
ma'am.
Okay, I
Okay.
look forward to it. Wait, let me just mentally prepare myself because sometimes I know either I'll give right answer or the wrong one. Okay, I need to calm
Okay.
myself down. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Let's start. Hmm.
Should I go first or would you like to go first?
So I should also ask you a question.
Yeah, you can ask through. Yeah. One by one
Okay.
we can play. Yeah.
Okay, first you start asking the questions.
All right, ma'am.
Hmm.
So what is your name?
Clapping go.
Nice name. Okay. Should you wear black t-shirt, a black
Giraffe.
top? But here is ma'am, you will
Hmm.
not give me only one word answer. You will give me at least one two sentence.
Sentence. Okay, I have to
Yeah.
give you sentences. Okay, I'll
You
remember
you
that.
your answer will not only yes and no also. You will give
Hmm.
me a miss little bit. Okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I have to make sentences, random weird sentences. Okay, I
Yes,
thought
ma'am.
it's just
Yes.
a word. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So do you have long hair?
I live in Mysore.
Mhm. Where you live in Mysore?
The giraffe has a very long neck.
Do you like giraffe?
Why is the sky blue, Shahid?
Is it blue?
Why does a round pizza come in a square box?
Mhm. Okay. Do you have a square box? A square box? Yeah.
No, you shouldn't ask me question related to that, right?
No, I will ask. I will ask, but you will not give me a same answer. Yeah, I will ask. I
Okay.
can ask. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
All right. It is very cold here in Bangalore.
Okay. Are you sitting on the sofa?
Why are roses red?
Do you like those?
I like watching Disney Channel.
All right. So, do you like cartoon?
Who's your best friend?
Have you completed your graduation?
Okay, sorry, I need a break.
No
I was
problem.
about to say yes, about to, just seconds away from saying yes. I was not able
Okay.
to come up with anything. All right, interesting.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, is it my turn now to ask you questions?
Yeah, you can ask, no problem.
Okay, so Shahid, how are you doing?
I'm sitting on the chair.
Where are you from?
I'm talking to you.
Do you like milkshakes?
Uh, I want to
Uh,
learn English
uh, uh.
language. Yeah,
Okay, so do you like playing tennis?
I'm riding cycle.
When was the last time you played cricket?
My apple is on the fridge.
Do you have an Apple iPhone?
I have a charger.
What was the last book that you read?
I don't like
Mm,
black t-shirt.
then do you like blue t-shirts?
I have money.
How much money do you have?
My mobile phone is on the table.
Why, Shahid?
My vegetable is in the fridge.
That is why your mobile is on the table?
My cycle is front of me.
Why?
Door is closed.
Do you have pets?
I'm talking
Uh,
to you, man. Yeah.
you took a pause.
Okay. We
Okay.
can pause little bit. No problem.
We can? Okay, okay, I should have also continued. All right, fine. So my next question to you would be, is it raining in your city?
I didn't clean my room.
When will you clean it?
I'm in the kitchen right now.
Can you cook?
She doesn't look good.
Who doesn't look good?
My fridge is front of me.
That's so strange, Shahid. Who is your best friend?
I live alone last 2 years.
Isn't that answer to my question kind of who's your best friend? You said you live alone. Okay, fine. Let's continue. All right. Are you
Yeah.
wearing a black t-shirt today?
I go outside after 5 minutes.
What will you do there?
In front of my home, there's a field.
What are your plans for the new year?
Today I talked three people.
Who are they?
He has a mobile phone.
No, you took pause again. This
Okay,
is
then I
keeping.
ought. Okay, I ought.
Yeah.
Now smart. Okay, man.
Okay, very well.
Okay.
Such an interesting game. Where did you come up with this idea?
Yeah, I got from I think some of my friend. They have he has given this idea. Yeah, man.
All right, this is so interesting. Trust me, I got so energized suddenly.
So should we continue,
All
man?
my
This game
alertness. Yes.
now.
Okay, now
Okay.
you can ask me questions.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Mhm.
So, how much money do you earn in a month?
My tube light is not working.
Why is it not working?
You know, the ink of this pen is orange.
You live in your home.
I read a very interesting book today.
Are you alone?
I want to go to Goa this new year.
Do you have boyfriend?
No.
All right. You have given answer.
Yes,
Yeah.
I give you an answer. Very, very, very,
Yeah.
very interesting. No, but out of general curiosity, right? I want to know what are
Yeah.
your plans for the new year? We are in the mid of December right now. It's 15 December already. So what have you planned for New Year bash?
No, I haven't planned anything, any special. Yeah, I just continue my this thing to to learn English. To I will this I will I hate this thing. Yeah, in
Okay.
2022. Yeah, there's no any special plan. Yeah,
No special plan. You're not going out somewhere.
no, no. This time is pandemic situation, so this time is not go. So outside is safe, I think. So yeah,
Okay.
I will not go anywhere.
All right, all right. I'm in such a dilemma. Like there is a pandemic situation going on, so it's under control here, and some, I
Yeah.
feel like I have to go out, party and have some fun. But then there is that fear also. Okay, what if there is the third wave? What will happen? So in double minds right now. Don't know what to do.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Okay,
So,
and yeah, you wanted to ask
do
something?
you have it? Do you have any plan to New Year? I mean,
Do I? Yes, yes. We are planning to go either to Coorg or to Pondicherry. Right? So
okay.
that is the plan as of now, my cousins and I. So if it materializes, I'll be really happy. If everybody's schedules just sync together, we can go out after a long time, right? So that would be
Okay.
fun. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, brilliant. Trust me, I'm
Yeah.
feeling so alert right now, Shahid. I was so low on energy today.
Why, ma'am?
Yeah, initially, not now. I am
Initially.
so alert.
Okay.
Yeah,
All
initially.
right.
Yeah, this was
So okay,
so cool.
still I have a 5 minute, I think. So
Mhm.
would you like? Do you aware means Bollywood industry means? Do
Yes.
you means know about all hero heroine? Yeah.
Of course, yes. Earlier, I was
Okay.
more of a Bollywood geek. Right now, not so much, but I know the big news that goes on.
Okay. Okay. Then I will play. Then we will play next game, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I will. You have to think about any celebrity name. Okay. And I
Hmm.
will ask you question, and I will
Hmm.
find out the
Hmm.
answer whatever you think in your mind. Okay. But it should be famous. Whatever
So
you think
he or she should be famous.
should be famous. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Okay.
Decided.
Have you
Okay.
thought it?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes. Okay. I'll even write
Uh,
it down. Okay.
is this okay? Is the celebrity male or female?
Female.
Uh, is it more than 30-year old?
No.
No. Uh, does she married?
Is she married?
Sorry, yeah. Is she married? Yeah.
No, she isn't.
Okay. She's is she under of 35?
Yeah, she's under 35. Yeah.
She's under. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So is she has she worked with
Hmm.
Salman Khan?
No. No.
No. Okay.
Definitely no.
Has she worked with Shah Rukh Khan?
Yes, she has.
She has worked it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Uh, is she married? Oh, she is not married, right? Right,
No,
man?
no, no, no. She's not. She's not.
Okay. Okay. Uh, is she? Does she have boyfriend?
No, no,
No.
no.
Okay.
Means not
Uh,
in publicly. It's not revealed. I don't know, but currently I don't think so. Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, uh, okay. Is he dance well? Is she
Yeah.
dance well?
Does she
Okay.
dance well? Yes, she does dance really well.
Yeah, does she okay? Does she
Yeah.
dance well? Okay.
Yes. Mm.
Okay. And so, how many movie does she work it?
Has she worked in how many movies? Can you give me a second?
Yeah, no
I
problem.
need to. Yeah. If I'm
Means
not sure about the answer,
more than 10 or more than 50, 20 like this. Yeah.
not more than 20. I think. Wait.
Is she
Yeah.
famous like
Yeah.
is
Yeah. Yes.
okay?
Kind of.
Is she
Around 20. Around 20,
is,
15, 20.
okay? Is she famous right now?
Yes. Very, very popular.
Okay. Okay.
Confusing, right? Am I confusing you?
Yeah, yeah. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. She doesn't have boyfriend. She doesn't
Yeah.
have boyfriend. Okay.
Yeah.
So she worked with Shah Rukh Khan
Yes, she
and
has.
okay. Has she worked with Amir Khan also?
Amir Khan, no. She
No.
hasn't. No.
Okay.
You thought it's Katrina?
No, no. She has married yet.
Yeah,
Ritika.
she's married. Yeah, correct. Mhm.
Yeah. No, no. Okay. Who is she then? Uh, with Shah Rukh Khan.
Mm.
Okay. maybe uh, is she Arya Bhatt?
No,
No. Can you
no.
give me some clue?
She's really tall, very tall.
Okay, she's tall.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is she then? Okay, all right.
Okay.
Uh, recently. Okay, okay, all
Yeah, she
right.
recently had like a
Is
very big
has
hit.
yeah has he worked with uh, his name? Shahid Kapoor. Has he worked with Shahid Kapoor?
Shahid? No, no, she hasn't. No, she hasn't. No.
Has he okay? Does he work with that movie? Uh, is she na what
Has
called?
she?
Yeah, has he worked with Sher Khan movie?
Which movie?
Sher Khan movie, ma'am.
I don't know that. Sher Khan?
Sher Khan. Yes.
No, I don't know. No, no, no. I don't think so.
No. All right. Mhm.
No.
Has he worked with Siddharth? One is hero, Siddharth.
Siddharth Malhotra? No. I think you're thinking about Kiara Advani? No.
No, can you give me another hint?
Of
We are
course,
going to
recently
end.
her movie, released big on Netflix. Like she was the lead heroine, no hero. Okay, so she was the only heroine in that.
Okay. No, so I quit, ma'am. I
You
don't know.
come on, you
Yeah.
can do it. All right, we just have 1 minute. It's actually Kriti Sanon.
Okay.
Yeah,
Kriti.
his work, Kriti Sanon. Yeah, she had this movie,
Okay.
right, Mimi, in which she was the lead character
Lead.
there.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
Mimi.
yes. Yeah, and she has worked with Shah Rukh Khan on Dilwale, but I don't, not
Dilwale.
with Salman or Amir.
Yes, yes. True, ma'am. Yeah. So you are
Okay.
aware
Mhm.
all Bollywood, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, I like watching, different sort of movies, not just love stories. We make so many love stories, right? When such different concepts come up, I really enjoy watching them.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So,
Amazing, Shahid. Yeah. Yeah.
who is your means favorite actor, ma'am?
Currently, I really like Kiara Advani. I really think she's done a brilliant job in Shersha. Even though she had very less screen time, she did a phenomenal job in that. I really like Kiara. And among the actors, I think I've always been a fan of Shah Rukh Khan. What about you?
Yeah, even I like Shah Rukh Khan, and
Mhm.
as well as I like Salman Khan also. Yeah,
Okay.
because his personality is also good, so that's
Yes.
why.
His own style, right? In every movie has his own different style.
Yes, ma'am. And
Correct.
he doesn't know dance, but he
Yeah.
did it.
He does it.
He does. Yeah, he does
Yes.
it.
Yeah, he does it in a very amusing way, and he has these popular signature steps that everybody remembers.